In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text on Squarespace. Whether you're just getting started with your website or looking to fine-tune your content, these steps will guide you through the process of editing text efficiently. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the Squarespace website. Once there, you'll notice a button labeled Get Started. Go ahead and click on it. This simple action will lead you straight to the dashboard, the nerve center of your site, where all the magic happens. Now that you're on the dashboard, you're ready to get down to business. Look for the option that says Edit Site and click on it. This is your gateway to begin editing and customizing the various elements of your website. As you enter into the editing mode, take a moment to locate the text block you're interested in modifying. Hover your mouse pointer over this text block, which will prompt some helpful options to appear. Click directly inside the text block to activate the text editor, a versatile tool that lets you make all your desired changes. Speaking of changes, this is your opportunity to add new text, delete outdated information, or experiment with different text formats. The editor provides a seamless way to incorporate all these adjustments with ease. Once you've made your edits, take a look at the text editor toolbar, which presents various styling options. Here, you can do more than just change the words. Embrace creativity by using bold and italics to emphasize key points, or by converting text to headings to organize your content effectively. These tools are designed to help you maintain a consistent and visually appealing layout across your site. As you conclude your text editing session, remember that no changes are permanent until you take one final step. To commit your edits and make them visible to your audience, you'll need to click on the Save button. This crucial move publishes all your changes, ensuring that your website reflects the latest information accurately. Remember, a well-organized site with clear and engaging text can significantly enhance the user experience, so take the time to review your changes to ensure they align with your website's goals and style. By following these steps, you'll become proficient at editing text on Squarespace, creating a polished and professional website that communicates your message effectively. Experiment with these tools and begin making the adjustments needed to perfect your site's text content. Happy editing!